welcome everybody. In today's video we've got quite an interesting case here. So usually this would have been a video about just repairing an iPhone X display, as we've done a couple of times now. But in this particular case, the Pentalobe screws holding the screen in place were actually so worn out that we couldn't screw them out. And we are going to show you how to get them out if the same happens for you. So if someone already tried to repair it or change the screen, whatever, this might be the case if they use inferior materials to do that. And yeah, so first of all, we are just going to try to brute force our way in there, obviously, not because that wouldn't be so great for the phone. You don't want to break anything in there. So the first one actually comes out easily, but the second one is stuck. We are going to use our handy dandy blow dryer, as we always do so often, and just loosen the waterproofing seal around the edges. Now, since these screws were already broken or worn out, we don't know if the seal is already broken, so if the waterproofing is still intact or not. But we're just going to see that when we open it up. Now we're just going to try to pry our way into the device and pull the screen off with our suction cup. So what we are trying to do here, because in this device, I don't know exactly what device it started at, but usually the mounting for the screws was built into the monitor. And now with this iPhone X, for example, it is built into the device, so into the chassis of the device itself. And you can try to use a pry tool or, well, not a screwdriver because you would probably break the screen. But here we are trying to use our pry tool to kind of use it as a lever to get the display off of the chassis. So you don't really break anything there, and it's already done. Hey, great, great. We then replace the screen. Still works, very nice. So thank you so much for watching. That was faster than expected. And I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye.